What are the best books for GRE Quant? If you're anyone who's struggling to prepare for the GRE right now and who's about to give it for the fall 22 cycle, in this video I will be talking about 8 best books for the GRE Quant section, and trust me, if you do them, you will get a full score. So if you're interested, keep watching. So those who are new to the channel, my name is Rijul and I'm a master's in data science student at UCR this fall, and I'm pursuing a master's here. I know GRE Quant is very tough, so let me make it easy for you. I have researched and I found 8 best quant books which cover practice tests, which cover each and every part of the quant section. So let me give you 8 books here, and without further ado, not wasting your time, let us start. The first book is the Magoosh Prep book. So this is the master book which you can study for the quant section right now. I preferred Magoosh online course, which I will be putting the link in the description below. You can check that out. So I personally prefer the Magoosh online course, but you can also buy a book if the course seems costly to you. So it is basically a 460 page book here, and this is the best quant book right now in the market for starting for the quant section, because it is, first of all, it covers the fundamentals, and second of all, it covers each and every part of the quant section. So the first recommendation is Magoosh Prep. The second book is the ETS guide. Now GRE is conducted by ETS, so ETS guide you have to do it, because these are recommended by the ETS website themselves that you have to do them. And trust me, if you do these, there are a lot of algebra as well as linear equation questions in the ETS, which are I found very good during my studies there. So the second recommendation is ETS quant section. The third book is the Kaplan GRE Prep book, and trust me, this is an updated version of the previous model. So this book contains 5 practice tests as well as 1700 GRE quant questions, and trust me, you will not be able to do all of them, but these are super competitive, because it takes your level up higher for the quant section. 5 practice tests which are more than enough for starting a quant preparation. And yeah, third recommendation is Kaplan's GRE quant book. The fourth book is the Barron's GRE quant section book. Now Barron's is also famous for the verbal section, but the quant section is as equally important as the verbal section right now. So in the Barron's one, there are 2 full practice tests which are online, which gives you the full whole gist of the actual paper, how it is conducted. In the Barron's book, you will find the syllabus as well as the tips and tricks of cracking the quant section. There are not a lot of questions in the Barron's one, but if you are anyone who is ready to give the mock test as well as the online test, they also have a diagnostic test at the starting, so that you can get a hang of how actually is a GRE, and they will also grade you. The next book is Nova's GRE quant section, and trust me, this is the best shortcut book you will ever see for the quant section. There are so many shortcuts for solving each and every question. You will be surprised by how easily a question can be solved here. So there are 23 chapters in the Nova's GRE quant section, as well as 600 questions, which is a huge bang for the quant section. And if you're anyone who has a very short time right now and who wants to solve the questions from using shortcuts, which I prefer in my preparation also, Nova's GRE is the best book you can go for right now. The next book, if you have time, and I repeat, if you have time, the next book is Manhattan 5LB. So this is a huge book for the quant section, and trust me, I did this 2 times because I was so fascinated, and I was so this book is so good. The each and every chapter has been covered in detail here. Again, I'm saying that if you have time, only then do this book. But if you do this book, there's a whole book for each and every chapter, trust me. And if you do this book, you will be done for the quant section. You don't have to do anything else. So it is a huge book, 5LB. Now there are a lot of chapters in the 5LB. There are a lot of mock tests. There are a lot of questions. This is a full power bank for the quant section, but you should have I think 1 to 2 months to do this, because it's a very large question bank. The next book is McGraw-Hill's question bank. So in McGraw-Hill's, there are a lot of multiple choice as well as single choice, or there are a lot of variations of questions. So if you're anyone who has done the preparation for the quant section and who just wants to brush up the concepts, McGraw-Hill is the best book you can go for right now. The questions level is not that high because it is meant for brushing up. It will not test your knowledge, but it will help you retain the knowledge which you have prepared for the quant section. So this is it for the video, guys, and I hope you get a very good understanding of where to prepare for the GRE quant section right now. And like if you're struggling right now, just comment down below and I will be very happy to help you, or you can reach me on my social media handles. And trust me, these 8 books are the best in the market right now. If you do these 8, you will be very good to go. And again, if you like want like more knowledge for the masters in the US, you can also follow my Quora Space Masters in USA hub, which like I post regular content on that. And you can also follow me on Medium, where I post on the same platform, USA Masters hub. Like if you like reading blogs, you can follow me there. So yeah, दिस इज इट. इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.
So you wanna be my enemy? You should've known I'd never kiss the rain. Ice runs in